What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can find the Frostcursed Plate Armor in Crimson Desert. If you really want to tank the cold, this armor is what you're looking for. The Frostcursed Plate Armor gives you 14 points of defense with a level 2 movement speed boost. And for its best feature, the level 7 ice resistance. You'll get this in the most northern part of Demonis, where the waypoint aligns vertically with the letter E of Demonis, and horizontally with the tip of Payloon's letter P. For a closer look, it's on a waterfall on top of Deadfire Mountain's letter D and M. You'll know when you're at the right place when you see this pile of rocks. Now just stand close to the waterfall, draw your weapon, and stab it by pressing shift and right click. When you're on the other side, you'll find this gold-stained rock blocking the path. Just simply destroy it with Force Palm. Once it crumbles, light up your lantern and reach the end of the cave where the chest is. Loot it and you'll get the plate armor. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.